Hello. We're gonna make some chili cheese dog enchiladas. This is really simple. So first you want to get a 9 by 13 inch pan. I put some chili. I use the Wolf brand chili with beans. Put it in the bottom. Okay, and then you're gonna get you'll need some 8-inch tortillas and of course some good franks. And let's get started here. Pretty simple. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna grab my cheese. All right, I forgot to grab the cheese. Okay. So get a nice cheese blend, Mexican cheese blend or whatever cheese you like. Then put a little bit of chili in the tortilla. You don't need a whole lot because it's going to be sitting in there. Then add a little bit of cheese and your frank. Then you're just going to roll it up like this and put it in your pan just like that. So it ought to go pretty quick. Prep time's like maybe 10 minutes at the most. You want to set your oven for 425 degrees. Then when this is all together, pop it in there and bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Again, like I said, it's very simple. Meat, beans and cheese, your frank, roll that one up. I'm only going to make 8 of them. It's just for my wife and I tonight. But you can do a lot more than that if you want. But I think that's going to be good enough. So this is a delicious, really quick something to throw together if you don't have much time to cook dinner. And like I said, you don't need a lot of chili on the inside because you're going to have it underneath as well as on top. And I just can't wait to have supper. Getting hungry just throwing it together. I diced up some onions to put on top if you want some sour cream, black olives, you know, whatever you like on top of your chili cheese dog. I like onions and more cheese. As you can tell, like I said, it goes by really quick. Oops, forgot the cheese. Shame on me. One. Yeah, I might squeeze 2 more in there. So I use most all of this can to put the chili in the bottom of the pan. And as always, make sure your hands are clean when you start, which I thoroughly washed mine first. There you go. Oh, looks like that's all that's gonna fit in there. So we got 7 of them there. And then you want to take your chili, take the other can. I use 2 cans of 15-ounce cans of chili and beans. And you use about 8 to 10 ounces of cheese, or however much cheese you wish to put on top. So if you love chili dogs, then you'll love this. It's a great way to make a bunch of them really quick. Excellent the next day. Make sure you get it around the edges so you don't get any dried from the oven. That ought to be good. And then we're going to take our cheese. Like I said, between 8 and 10 ounces of cheese. We like a lot of cheese. So we're probably going to use about, I'd say 4 cups at least of cheese. Now that you got this all covered up, you're going to want to put aluminum foil across top of your pan if you're using a glass baking dish. But I've got these catering pans, so I'm just going to put this lid on here. And it works great. And that's it. You just bake it, like I said, at 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And that's all you need. Hope you enjoy. Ciao.